In the realm of organized crime, where loyalty means everything and silence is a code of honor, John Gotti emerged as a formidable figure. Known as the Teflon Don, Gotti gained infamy for his ability to elude legal repercussions despite his association with the notorious Gambino crime family. This video explores how Gotti earned the nickname Teflon Don, delving into his rise to power, the criminal activities he orchestrated, and the legal battles that failed to bring him down. The rise of John Gotti. John Gotti was born and raised in the South Bronx, New York, in 1940. As a young man, he quickly became entangled in a life of crime and joined the powerful Gambino crime family, one of the 5 families of the Italian-American mafia in New York City. Gotti's rise within the organization was fueled by his ambition, ruthlessness, and keen business sense. The Teflon Don. Gotti earned the moniker Teflon Don due to his uncanny ability to avoid legal convictions. Throughout his criminal career, Gotti was indicted multiple times, but each trial resulted in either acquittal or a mistrial, cementing his reputation as untouchable. This immunity from conviction earned him the nickname Teflon Don, referring to the non-stick coating that prevents substances from adhering to a surface. Acquittals and mistrials. One of the most notable trials that showcased Gotti's seemingly bulletproof defense was the 1987 case concerning the murder of Paul Castellano, the boss of the Gambino crime family at the time. Gotti orchestrated a brazen hit on Castellano, assuming control of the family. Despite extensive evidence and eyewitness testimonies, Gotti emerged victorious due to the skillful strategy employed by his defense team and the intimidation of witnesses. Another high-profile trial was the 1992 case charging Gotti with racketeering and murder. Gotti's flamboyant personality and media-savvy approach gained him public attention and fueled his Robin Hood-like image among some sections of society. Once again, Gotti's defense managed to create reasonable doubt, resulting in a mistrial. Fall from grace. Although Gotti seemed invincible, his luck eventually ran out. In 1992, while under constant surveillance, Gotti was recorded discussing criminal activities with fellow mobsters. These recordings, along with testimonies from disenchanted associates, proved to be damning evidence. In 1992, Gotti was finally found guilty of murder, racketeering, and other charges, earning him a life sentence without the possibility of parole. Legacy. Despite his eventual downfall, John Gotti's legacy endures. The Teflon Don's ability to avoid numerous convictions for years cemented his reputation as a mythical figure in organized crime history. His story has inspired countless movies, books, and television shows, becoming a cultural touchstone for the dark side of American society. Conclusion. While John Gotti's criminal activities and reputation as the Teflon Don were undoubtedly destructive, they also shed light on the intricacies of the criminal justice system. Gotti's ability to evade conviction for so long highlighted flaws in the system, emphasizing the challenges faced by law enforcement in bringing criminals of his caliber to justice. The name Teflon Don will forever be synonymous with John Gotti's audacity, cunning, and his ability to defy conviction.